I'm going to add the VDM or special brushes to the top brush settings. I go over to the settings for the brushes and click on a brush, and this is where I'm going to place them. We go to File and then Append. In the Append you can then search for the Blender file that has your VDM brushes. This will show you a breakdown of the files that are inside Blender. Find the brush one. Now look for the VDM brushes. Just scroll down. All these other brushes here are just the normal brushes that are shipped with Blender. Here we have a VDM brush, and we just control click or command click to select the ones that you want. I selected quite a few here just to show you. Then save them and go back to your settings, and you can see your brushes have been added. When you select a brush and try to add it, just hold the selection and then rotate the mouse around. One direction will give you scale, another one will give you rotation. So just have to experiment a bit with it. The same thing happens with your touchpad. You can just drag some of the selections around and they automatically pop up with new ones. And you can see with the nose here, when I select it, how the rotation and scale works. If it doesn't work how you want, you might have to Command Z or Control Z and do it again. Happy blendering.